welcome to our new episode of Tower to Table to Tummy. Mamma mia, look at all this basil and fresh tomatoes straight from our tower garden. Hello, today we'll be with the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse, and we're gonna travel from the Bronx all the way across the Atlantic Ocean to Europe. When you get to Europe, turn south and look for the boot. That's right, we're going to Italy. Mamma mia! And we're going to make an amazing Caprese Insalata. I see 3 sets of plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 sets of 3. That means 3 nights equals 1/3. Mr. Chef Jesse's hands. I'm looking over here and I see 3 purple plates. So I imagine you probably need 1 more plate full of mozzarella. Now, how do we slice the mozzarella? Always use the bear claw. And remember, I love students who slice the cheese, not students who cut the cheese. So slice carefully, use bear claw. If you're cooking food for friends and family, always wash your hands, and it also is useful to wear some gloves. A Caprese salad is really basil, tomatoes, and mozzarella, probably with a topping just like our great ancestors in Italy did. So, I see 3 plates of purple, 2 plates of red. You probably need to slice 1 more plate of tomatoes. This is a great way to learn how to use the bear claw. So we take the tomato, we put it top side or stem out, and slice away. Slice away, slice away, slice away, slice away. Mamma mia! Now we have 2/3 or 6/9. We're almost there. I wonder, what could the next ingredient be? No need to wonder, it's right here in front of me. We've got basil, fresh off the tower garden. Let's see how the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse separate the leaves from the stem, because we don't want to eat the stems. You simply pull. Oh, I can smell the hills of Caprese in my nostrils, mamma mia! How fragrant. You like the smell of basil? I love the smell of basil. And look at how quickly Mr. Chef Jesse's hands are working. Off come the leaves, off come the leaves, off come the leaves, off come the leaves. Wow, we've already got 1 night done. Off come the leaves, off come the leaves, off come the leaves, off come the leaves. We've already got 2 nights done. We're finishing the 3rd night, which makes 1/3. And you'll see 3 green plates, 1/3. 3 red plates, 2/3. 3 purple plates, 3/3, or 9 nights. And that's how easy this Insalata Caprese salad is. Mamma mia, it looks so good. Wow. I also see, tipped off to the side, a little bit of olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. And I know that's not sugar. It's probably some salt, so we'll add a little dash of salt right on top to just bring out the flavor. A little salt, not too much. Oh, we're gonna move away the basket and get out a fancy serving platter. And remember, students, any platter at home will do, but we're gonna take the 9 times and make 1 whole platter to serve right special for you. Now, the important thing is, remember, we eat sometimes with our eyes. So it's important to make the plate look good, a sense of style, a sense of color, a sense of organization is always important. And look how festive, slowly but surely, this plate is becoming. A little bit of red, a little bit of white, a little bit of red, a little bit of white. We got tomatoes on the one side, cheese on the other. A little bit of red, a little bit of white. Mamma mia, it's looking so festive already. Now we're gonna alternate the red and the white each way. I'm almost ready to lick that plate and gobble it up. Wow, look how beautiful that looks. I think, as they'd say in Italy, delicioso! Boy, Mr. Chef Jesse, you're making like a beautiful spiral design. And from the inside to the outside, we're seeing consistency of color, consistency of ingredients, and style and presentation that get the eater saying, oh, I'm so excited, gimme, 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 gimme. So now what's next? We're laying out the basil. Oh boy, students, I wish you could smell this episode. In fact, if that was the case, we'd be calling it Smell-O-Vision. Just simple design, simple color, simple organization. It really, as I like to say, makes epic happen. There's a piece of basil under the tomato and underneath the mozzarella, so you get a combination of flavors. Right now, this room smells so good, my mouth is watering. In fact, I'm gonna have to grab a towel and make sure I stop drooling on myself. And remember, it's important to take your time, because the good things in life are worth waiting for. Look at that festive design in the middle. I wish you were here to taste this with me, but the beautiful thing is you can grow this yourself at home on your tower garden. Or simply go to the local supermarket and get some tomatoes, some mozzarella, and a little bit of fresh basil, a little bit of salt, a pinchy, 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 pinchy of salt. Remember, less salt is what we want. So just a touch, just a sprinkle. Ooh, then we're gonna take some olive oil, to drizzle it over. Oh my. You can see how the oil is just spreading across all the ingredients in a beautiful spiral. And then, of course, there's the special treat, balsamic vinegar. We're just gonna layer that right over the oil so that it spreads neatly all across the tomato, right over the cheese, onto the basil. This is a combination of oil, vinegar, and salt, and tomatoes, and cheese, and basil, and mamma mia! I just can't wait to taste. Well, I can't wait to see you on our next episode of Tower to Table to Tummy. I'm Steve Ritz from Bronx Machine, and we'll see you next time somewhere around the world. Si se puede. See you soon.